Alright everybody, welcome to the Goody Pantry. Thank you for clicking on my video, and today we're going to be making cheese and onion pasties. All the ingredients are on the screen, and just before we head on into the video, don't forget, if you like my videos, to subscribe, and then you'll always be alerted when we have a new video. Okay, thanks, so let's get straight on into the video. Okay, so here's all my ingredients. I've got 300 grams of mature cheddar cheese. I've got 100 grams of diced white onion, 1 bunch of spring onion. I've got my puff pastry. I've got 600 grams of cooked potato. And I've got my egg wash, which is 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay, so we can start off. So I've already pre-cooked the potatoes and I've let them go cold. Next I'm going to add my onion. Now my onion has been sweated down in a dry pan for just 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'm just going to add some salt and pepper for taste. Now just do this to your own liking, everybody likes a different level. Okay, next we're going to add our mature cheddar. So I'm just using a regular Tesco mature cheddar, works quite well, but you can use whatever cheese you like. And then we're just by hand, we're just going to start mixing this all together. And then once you've got it all mixed, it should look like this. Okay, next we're going to get our pastry ready. So when you get your dough, just very gently start to unravel. If you do it too quick, sometimes the pastry can tear. So just gently hold one side and then start to unroll it. Okay, when you've got that cut, you're going to cut the pastry into 4 equal quarters. Once you've got that done, so now I've weighed out my mix. So I'm doing 8 pasties, so I've just divided the amount by 8. And then that'll give you your filling for each pasty. So then I'm just going to egg wash the sides of the pastry. And when you've got that done, you just want to take your pastry and fold it over so it covers the filling. Once you fold that over, take a fork and then just start pressing down the edges with the fork. Now this is going to seal the pastry so that your filling doesn't escape. It's very important you use a fork for this part. Now don't worry about the big bump in the centre where the filling is, because once it goes into the oven, all the sides are going to raise up and then you're going to have a level pasty. Okay, so you're just going to repeat that with the others. So there's the first 4. Now I'm going to egg wash these. Now again, I did 1 egg and 1 egg yolk with the milk, just because it gives a nice colour to the pastry when it comes out of the oven. So they're going to go in now at 180 for 20 to 25 minutes. And there they are after the 25 minutes. Now you can see the colour I was talking about. Nice golden colour, well cooked underneath, and all the pastry's risen up on the sides. So once you've got that, just transfer them to a cooling tray, and you want to let them cool. And that's pretty much it, and there's how I served them up. Now these are cheese and onion. If you can do this exact same way with corned beef, just take out the cheese and replace the cheese with 1 tin of corned beef, and you've got corned beef and onion pasties. So there you go guys, quick one today. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you at the next one.